Hello everybody, welcome back to BareRose Garage. What are we doing today? Well, we're working on the Mercury again. So, what have I got going on? The fuel tank. We're getting ready to clean that sucker up and make it ready for the No Name Nationals. Here we go. Now it's covered in all kinds of grease and grime and nasty. So I'm just going to blow the outside off here first. Both sides, and just get it ready. Then we'll shoot it down inside, get all that varnish, or as much as I possibly can, done out of it. And then we'll get the rust out with science. Yeah, we're gonna play with some giggle juice. That's the fun stuff. Here we go. Okay, that's done. That part of it's done. Here, I'll show you. This is what gas turns into after it sits and dries and just turns into this goo. That's what gas turns into after about 20 years, 15 years of sitting in one place. It just evaporates back down into this. I know they call it varnish, but you can see it's more like road tar. Just nasty stuff. Also a little bit of this, I'm suspecting that piece right there is actually the old gasket, filler neck gasket, that is broken, fell off into it, and then the gas just slowly dissolves it. I think that's what this is. But this, yeah, it's just nasty. Most of it I got to break up and come out in pieces, but these are the big pieces that you've seen me fighting in there. Anyway, that'll do it up for this one. Now I got to get there's still a little varnish down in the very bottom. You can see I was trying to fight it out. What I got to do now is I'll put some acetone in it and seal it up and let it sit for a little while, maybe a day or two, and then come out and I'll hit it again to see if that acetone will break up more of this stuff, because it's kind of made a putty down on the bottom floor of it. So I got to get that out of there. And it stinks. It smells like bad gas. Anyway, that's it for this one. Stay tuned for the next one, when I'm probably going to start the electrolysis on it and get the rust out of there. It actually looks pretty clean, so it should only take one day to get the rust out. I'll show you how we do that. In the meantime, get out there and get some metal hot. We'll catch you on the next one.